Let us solve this question. It was asked in CAT 2024 in slot 1. This is from Certs and Indices topic. The sum of all real values of k for which 1 over 8 raised to k times 1 over 32768 raised to 1 by 3 should be equal to 1 by 8 times 1 by 32768 raised to 1 by k. How should we proceed with this problem? First of all, we should be able to find out what is the cube root of 32768. I have made one video lesson where you can find out how to find out cube root of perfect cube numbers. So you will find the link in the description box. Go learn that topic. Over here, for the sake of calculation, I'm doing this. So what is the last digit of this number? 8. What is the square root of 8? It is 2, right? After that, I will cancel last 3 digits, right? And then I'm left with 32. What is a perfect cube number which is just less than 32? It is 27. And what is the cube of 27? Cube root of 27, it is 3. So what is this digit? It is 32. So we can very easily find out that 32 cube is equal to 32768. Until or unless you do this, you will not be able to proceed with the problem. So you should be able to find out how to find cube root of perfect cube numbers. Now, since you have understood this thing, that's what I am assuming out here. So that is, it is going to be 1 upon 8 raised to k. And this is nothing but, now it is 32, isn't it? And 1 upon 8. And then this value again is 32 raised to 3. So I can write this is 32 raised to 3 upon k, isn't it? Then if 8 goes on this side of equality, it becomes 8 over 8 raised to k and 32 raised to 3 by k. Or we can write this as what? 8 raised to k negative 1. When 8 goes in the denominator, it will become k raised to 1. And then this number over here will become 32 raised to 3 over k negative 1. And then since we want to do the comparison, so 8 can be written as 2 raised to 3 and 32 can be written as 2 raised to 5. So over here it becomes 1 over 8 is 2 raised to 3, 3k minus 1. And the next value out here is 2 raised to 5, 3 upon k minus 1. Isn't it? So can I say that 3k negative 3 and 5 3s are 15 upon k minus 5, they are going to be the same. If you simplify this, you will be able to find out the value of k. Now what is that we should be doing? We should take everything in the one side of equality. So that is 3k negative 3 plus 5, that is 2, minus 15k, this is plus, and that is equal to 0. So let's simplify this out here. What does this say? So I can make it this as 3k square plus 2 times of k minus 15 is equal to 0. And what is that they are asking in the problem? They are asking you to find out. So this is where people are going to be making mistake. They will try to simplify this. You do not have to simplify this because problem is asking you to find out sum of all the possible values of k. So what is the interpretation? The problem is asking you to find out sum of roots of this quadratic equation. How do you find out sum of the roots of the quadratic equation? It is going to be what? If it had it been ax square plus bx plus c, had this been your equation, then sum of roots would have been negative coefficient of x over the coefficient of x square. So over here, if you have to find out all the possible values of k, then it is going to be what? Minus 2 upon 3. Problem is simplified. So what did I say? There are two things that have been utilized here. Will you be able to find out cube root of 3, 2, 7, 6, 8? And number two, will you be able to interpret the line that you do not have to find out the values of k, rather you will have to find out sum of all the possible values of k, isn't it? So have a look at the option. Which is the option out here? Option number B is the right answer. Isn't it simple, right? So crack at, go to IIMS. That's what I want for you.